Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone assistive touch not working on iPhone or lagging. Or so guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, turn off and turn on assistive touch again. So for this, open settings, tap on accessibility, tap on touch, tap on assistive, and turn off and turn on again, and then go back. And then after this, the next solution is reset assistive touch. So for the reset, tap on settings, scroll down, tap on accessibility, tap on touch, tap on assistive touch, tap on customize top level menu, and then tap on reset here. So after resetting this, go back, and then the next solution is adjust assistive touch idle opacity. For this, open settings, scroll here is the assistive touch here, tap on it, assistive touch, scroll down and tap on idle opacity, and idle opacity you need to 14%. So after this, go back, and then the next solution is restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time, then drag this slider to the right to restart your iPhone. So after restarting your iPhone, open lock screen here, and then the next solution is update your iPhone to the latest iOS. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update here. So guys, if you haven't updated your iPhone to the next version, so simply update your iPhone to the next latest version. So I have updated the latest version, iOS 16.2. so I already have installed this. So go back. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix your assistive touch issue on your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.